Iceland, known as the land of fire and ice, is a land of stunning natural beauty, unique geological wonders, and rich Viking heritage. Here are some of Iceland's top tourist attractions. 1. The Blue Lagoon, one of Iceland's most famous attractions. This geothermal spa offers mineral-rich, milky blue waters surrounded by volcanic landscapes. It's a perfect spot to relax and experience Iceland's geothermal energy. 2. Golden Circle, a popular tourist route that includes Ingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the meeting point of the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Geyser Geothermal Area, home to the famous Stråkar Geyser, which erupts every 5 to 10 minutes. Gullfoss Waterfall, a massive, two-tiered waterfall with breathtaking views. 3. Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital city, is a hub of culture and history. Visit Hallgrímskirkju Church, explore the Harpa Concert Hall, and stroll through the colorful streets filled with shops, cafes, and street art. 4. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, a stunning glacier lagoon filled with icebergs that drift into the Atlantic Ocean. Nearby is Diamond Beach, where ice chunks shimmer on black volcanic sand. 5. Vatnajökull National Park, home to Europe's largest glacier, Vatnajökull, and spectacular sites like Svartafoss Waterfall, framed by basalt columns, and Skaftafell for incredible hiking trails. 6. The Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. During the winter months, Iceland offers some of the best opportunities to see the Northern Lights. Remote locations with clear skies make the experience magical. 7. Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss Waterfalls. Seljalandsfoss allows you to walk behind the cascading water, while Skogafoss is a powerful, picture-perfect waterfall surrounded by legends and rainbows. 8. Snæfellsnes Peninsula, known as Iceland in miniature. This region offers a mix of landscapes, including the iconic Kirkjufell Mountain, black sand beaches, lava fields, and the Snæfellsjökull Glacier. 9. Landmannalaugar, a paradise for hikers. This area is famous for its colorful rhyolite mountains, hot springs, and the Lagavagur Trail, one of the world's most renowned trekking routes. 10. Black sand beaches of Vik Reynishaga Beach, with its dramatic black sands, basalt columns, and towering sea stacks, is a must-see for its raw, otherworldly beauty. 11. Whale-watching. Húsavík is considered the whale-watching capital of Iceland, offering a chance to see humpbacks, minke whales, and even blue whales in their natural habitat. 12. The Highlands, vast, remote, and rugged. The Icelandic Highlands are perfect for adventurers. Highlights include the volcanic landscapes of Askja and the geothermal wonderland of Hveravellir. Iceland is a dream destination for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and anyone looking to experience a truly unique environment. Svalbard, a remote Arctic archipelago located between Norway and the North Pole, is known for its dramatic landscapes, unique wildlife, and rich history. Here are some of its top tourist attractions. 1. Longyearbyen, the largest settlement in Svalbard. Longyearbyen is a hub for Arctic adventure. It offers museums, galleries, shops, and restaurants, including the northernmost brewery in the world. The Svalbard Museum provides insights into the region's history, wildlife, and mining heritage. 2. Svalbard Global Seed Vault, known as the Doomsday Vault. This secure seed bank stores a vast collection of the world's seeds to ensure biodiversity in the face of global disasters. While entry is restricted, the futuristic structure itself is a popular photo spot. 3. Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. During the polar night, October to February, Svalbard is one of the best places to witness the magical northern lights. The dark skies and minimal light pollution make for an unforgettable experience. 4. Polar bears and wildlife safaris. Svalbard is home to one of the world's largest populations of polar bears. Visitors can join guided safaris to spot polar bears, Arctic foxes, reindeer, and walruses in their natural habitats. 5. Glaciers and ice caves. Svalbard's icy landscapes are breathtaking. The Nordenskjöld Glacier and guided tours to explore ice caves offer a close look at the Arctic's natural wonders. 6. Dog sledding. Dog sledding is a quintessential Arctic adventure available year-round, on snow in winter and wheels in summer. It's a great way to explore the tundra and connect with the region's history. 7. Pyramiden. This abandoned Soviet mining town offers a surreal glimpse into history, with its well-preserved buildings and remnants of a bygone era. Guided tours reveal its fascinating past. 8. Boat tours and fjords. The pristine fjords, such as Magdalenefjord, are accessible via boat tours, providing stunning views of glaciers, rugged coastlines, and Arctic wildlife. 9. Hiking and outdoor adventures. For adventurous visitors, Svalbard offers hiking, snowmobiling, and kayaking opportunities. Guided excursions often include visits to remote areas rich in Arctic flora and fauna. 10. Midnight sun. From late April to late August, the sun doesn't set in Svalbard. This natural phenomenon allows for endless outdoor activities under the golden Arctic light. Svalbard is a place of extraordinary beauty and isolation, offering a unique Arctic experience for those seeking adventure and tranquility in equal measure. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads.